Hello friends, welcome to my channel Samyuktha Vinod. Today's video is going to be a simple everyday look using only just 4 products. So now you're going to see this look. I've just used only 4 products to create this look. It's a simple everyday look which can be achieved within 5 to 10 minutes. So let's start the video. The first product I'm using is Colossal DERMACOLor. The shade name is D64. It acts as like both. You can use this as a foundation or a concealer. But this is the only downside of this is it's very difficult to blend. So but it has got a very good pigmentation. It's highly pigmented product which covers up your dark circles or any marks around your face. But you have to really work a little hard to blend the product. So they have Krylon have a blender, a multitasker blender with them. You can use that to just blend this easily. I'm using the same thing to cover up my dark circles above on my eyelids, nose area, and wherever I have darkness. I'm going to use this cream and I'm going to color correct the parts. As you can see, it's very difficult to blend. It is not necessary that you use the same product. You can use any concealers for this or a foundation. You can cream foundation for this look. It is just to create a small canvas to your face so that you look little glam than you should. So I'm putting the cream all over the face wherever it is necessary. This is my shade. As the lighting is it's a natural lighting, so you can see the fluctuation in lighting, but in real it looks correct, so there's no issue on that. Blend the product nicely. So first I'm going to apply and try to blend it wherever it is required. Later on I'll use a brush to diffuse and blend it more easily. So whenever you use your fingers to blend any cream product, say it's a concealer or a blush or a cream foundation, the warmth in your fingers is going to blend the foundation quite easily. It will warm up the product and helps in blending. But for this product you can use your brush also. There is no necessity that you should use only fingers. I have chosen to use fingers to blend. You can take up this product on the brush or a sponge and you can use it wherever it is required. Some color correcting and spot correcting the areas. See, as you can see, when I use the product, the blemish around my face is getting reduced. Now I'm going to blend the foundation using a concealer brush for a softer look, as using your fingers might have a stronger print, so you can use a brush to diffuse the harsh edges. Now the product 2 is L'Oreal Matte Magique Compact. I'm in the shade G2. I'm using a big fluffy brush. I'm going to swirl it around the product and I'm going to apply the powder all over my face. It mattifies the skin instantly. I'm going to set the concealer in place without creasing. It helps the product to not crease and it brings a canvas to it. Next, the product 3 is Lakme Chicken Lip Color. I'm going to take the product in the back of my hands and I'm going to apply the lip color as an eyeshadow using my ring finger. All over my eyes I'm using it. If you don't want such more intensity, you can use it on light hand. And I'm going to use the same lip color as a cheek stain too. I'm just dotting it, and I'm going to blend the color using the other finger. Like, I'm not using the same finger which I used to place the color. I'm going to diffuse it with the other fingers. I'm doing it for the next cheek also. Diffuse or like the color evenly. And the one trick I generally use is that once the cream product is done, I use a compact powder to just diffuse the color so that it gives a light stain and it will not be harsh. And like, it is also used to set the foundation set the blusher in place. Next, I'm using the same product as my lip color as well. So I've just taken it little louder, but you can still use a light lip color. You can use this in a lighter hand without being so harsh or without being so loud. Next is the mascara. It's number product 4. It's Maybelline the Colossal mascara in waterproof. I'm going to give a good coat of mascara for both upper and lower lash line. Usually I prefer kajals and lining my eyes, but still as I want to use only 4 products here, I'm not including the kajal. Now I'm using the same mascara to fill up my eyebrows. But before that, make sure you just wipe off the excess mascara in the wand and use a very lighter hand to fill in the brows, because generally please do not fill the brows with a black color. Use a grey color or a dark brown shade for this. But as I wanted to use only 4 products, I'm using the same mascara to fill in my brows, but with a very light hand, and you should be very careful in doing this step. Now guys, this is the final look. It's a simple everyday look you can achieve easily. So please do not forget to subscribe, like and share my video, and follow me on Instagram at Samyuktha Vinod. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.